If you're serious about keeping your plants healthy, monitoring soil moisture is a must. In this video, we'll explore the best moisture meters for plants, giving you the tools you need for precise readings and better plant care. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these meters will help ensure your plants get exactly what they need. Let's dive in. Luster Leaf Moisture Meter. The Luster Leaf Moisture Meter is a must-have for anyone serious about plant care. Designed to prevent over or underwatering, this moisture meter provides accurate readings from a scale of 1 to 10, showing the moisture level of the soil, ranging from dry to wet. The stainless steel probe easily reaches the root level, ensuring a reliable reading for your plants. What sets it apart is its simple, battery-free operation. Just plug it into the soil and the gauge instantly shows the moisture level. This device is perfect for a wide range of plants, offering a helpful guide with watering recommendations for over 150 species. Whether you're caring for houseplants or garden vegetables, this meter helps you maintain the right balance of moisture, which is crucial for healthy plant growth. Plus, its easy-to-read scale and practical design make it user-friendly for both beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. While the Luster Leaf excels in functionality, a few users have reported minor durability issues with the top of the meter, which can loosen over time. However, this doesn't detract from its overall value. For the price, it's an excellent tool to keep your plants thriving. Definitely worth considering for any gardener. IRTOV Moisture Meter. The IRTOV Moisture Meter is an excellent tool for gardeners who want to ensure their plants thrive by keeping a close eye on soil conditions. It measures pH, moisture, temperature, and light intensity, offering a comprehensive view of the environment around your plants. The large green backlit LCD display is clear and easy to read, even in low light conditions, which is a great feature for any time of day. The device uses AA batteries and it alerts you when the battery is low, ensuring you're always ready to go. Using the meter is straightforward. Simply insert the probe 3 to 5 inches into the soil and wait for 10 to 15 seconds for a reading. Thanks to the advanced soil sensor detection technology, it provides accurate results quickly so you can take immediate action if necessary. The meter is versatile, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and works well for a variety of plants. One small thing to keep in mind is that you should avoid using it in overly dry or hard soil to prevent damage to the probe. Overall, the IRTOV Soil Moisture Meter is a practical and affordable tool for any plant enthusiast looking to enhance their gardening experience. Kensizer Soil Tester. The Kensizer Soil Tester is a solid option for gardeners who want an affordable, easy-to-use tool for monitoring soil conditions. This 2-in-1 moisture and pH tester works without batteries, which is a huge plus for those who want a hassle-free experience. The clear, easy-to-read dashboard helps you quickly check moisture levels and pH, making it simple to understand your soil's health. With a single probe design, it's easy to insert into the soil and provides accurate readings in just 10 to 15 seconds. This tester is lightweight, portable, and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, from garden beds to houseplants. The probe works well in soils with moderate moisture, though it struggles in overly dry or compacted soil, so it's a good idea to water the area before testing. The scale offers a straightforward readout, though the pH readings are approximate, with a margin of error of 1 to 2 points. The absence of a battery is an excellent feature, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective in the long run. While it may not be as advanced as some digital testers, the Kensizer Soil Tester is a great choice for gardeners looking for an affordable, no-fuss solution for keeping their plants healthy and thriving. Gain Express Moisture Meter. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to monitor your plant's health, the Gain Express Moisture Meter is a fantastic option. Designed for both home gardeners and commercial use, this tool is perfect for assessing soil conditions in everything from lawns and gardens to vineyards and orchards. Thanks to its 295mm long electrode, it provides deep penetration into the soil for more accurate readings of both pH levels and moisture content, ensuring optimal growing conditions for your plants. One of the standout features of this meter is its self-powered design. No batteries required. This makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice, allowing you to test your soil without worrying about changing batteries. The waterproof metal electrode ensures durability, even in tough outdoor conditions. Operating in a temperature range of 5 to 50 degrees Celsius, this meter is adaptable to different climates, making it versatile for a variety of gardening needs. Just remember to calibrate it periodically to maintain accuracy. In summary, the Gain Express Moisture Meter is a durable, accurate, and affordable tool that provides everything you need to ensure your plants thrive. Definitely worth considering for your gardening toolkit. Raintrip Moisture Meter. Introducing the Raintrip Moisture Meter, a tool that's perfect for anyone serious about plant care. Whether you're tending to a garden, lawn, or indoor plants, this affordable device provides all the essential readings to keep your greenery thriving. With the ability to measure soil moisture, pH levels, nutrients, and light, it's like having 4 tools in one. You no longer need to buy separate devices for each task, making it a cost-effective solution for all your plant needs. One of the standout features is its 90-degree rotating head, allowing you to adjust the meter for easy readings without bending over. Plus, its single probe design minimizes root damage when inserted into the soil. The meter works without batteries, making it eco-friendly and easy to use without worrying about power. Simply insert it into the soil and within seconds, you'll have all the data you need. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, this meter is compact, lightweight, and durable. While some may find the pH detection range limited compared to other models, its overall functionality and ease of use make it a fantastic option for gardeners looking to enhance plant health. Simply put, the Raintrip Soil Moisture Meter delivers great value at an unbeatable price.